Rainwater infiltration systems should be inspected regularly to make sure they stay healthy and working properly and efficiently. Here's what to look for to figure out if your system needs maintenance. If your system includes pretreatment, that's the best place to start. Look for sediment buildup or debris that could clog up the pretreatment and prevent it from functioning properly. After heavy rain, observe the drawdown rate of the system for 2 to 3 consecutive days and record the water levels each time you check it. You should be able to see the water level dropping significantly as time passes. If you still see standing water after the 3rd day, there is an issue with clogging in the system. For above ground systems, check the sediment buildup in the area where rainwater will eventually enter the system. Ensure that no nearby vegetation forms an obstruction directly above the system. Leaf litter, fruits, and other vegetative materials could cause clogging. Check the health of the vegetation the system is using and ensure that the overall cover density is 90% or higher. If the vegetation is unhealthy or the cover is too sparse, replanting will be necessary. Look for weedy growth on the surface that might indicate sediment deposition or clogging. Inspect internal and external infiltration side slopes for evidence of sparse vegetative cover, erosion, or slumping. For underground systems, check to see if all of the valves, manholes, and/or locks can be opened properly. Inspect the maintenance access and observation well to look for signs of debris or sediment buildup. If you notice any of these issues with your system, consider calling stormwater professionals to ensure the proper maintenance is done to the system so that it can work properly and efficiently and stay healthy in the long run.